In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Nissan Maxima key fob. The whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and the only things that you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2025 battery. You can get these batteries online. They are pretty cheap. If you're interested, go check out the first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. And once you have everything you need, all we need to do is look to the bottom of the key fob. You can see there's that opening. Oops, mine's still open there. You can see there is this opening. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver in there. You could also use a coin, and we're just going to go in and twist, and this will come apart. You can pull it open with your fingers, and now we have access to the battery. So you want to take the same tool and just come in on the side of the battery and just gently try to lift it up. There we go. Let me show you that again. So the best thing you want to do is, if you're holding it with the key ring facing down, come up in the top right corner. And even with a large flathead like this one, you can kind of use the corner to pry the battery up. So just get it pushed down to the bottom, kind of wedged in there, and then gently lift it up. So you can now dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2025, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus on it is facing down. So you'll simply click it into place, positive side down. Now all you need to do is click these two pieces back together. So just give it a squeeze, and with that, you are finished. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope it saved you some money, because if you bring these things to the dealership, sometimes the only problem is that you need a new battery and they'll charge you a bunch of money for it. You really only need to pay the price of one of these batteries and just spend a couple minutes working on it, and it is super easy. So if you like the video, feel free to give it a like or let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. We have these for almost every key fob for all the major makes and models out there. And you can also get all of this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.